something. This is a little bit too long, but no problem, right? Take it off. So now we're trying to get a little bit more fastidious about this thing, right? Because we have to, you know, in the beginning we started kind of loosely, relaxed, because we just needed to, what we need to do is to block in the dominant form, the dominant volumes, and the dominant values, right? Precisely, but the most important thing was just to visualize them. And once we visualize them, you can say, okay, now that is a little bit wider, that is a little bit narrow, that is a little bit, or that is just right? So visualize our estimations, and from there start refining. So clearly the estimation needs to be precise, but it doesn't have to be obsessively precise, right? So it can be a good, decent approximation, and then we're gonna refine it. Clearly your approximation will become more and more precise, right, in the initial stages as you develop this technique, right? As you practice, right, this technique. So you see how there is just a little bit of the paper there, right? A little bit, but it's kind of fuzzy, so it's gonna be tricky to do, but eventually, after a while, you use the stump. The stump gets loaded with charcoal, and you can use the stump as a drawing device. You can use it just to make marks, right? So in here I'm also going kind of across all the various forms that I defined before the pectoralis, because the shadow is now bathing all this area here uniformly. So I go open form, right? So I'm going to push this side a little bit more.